In today's video, I'm going to talk about why your job is actually making your life worse, right? A lot of people don't know this. A lot of people think that they're upset because life is hard and life is difficult, right? And a job is something that you just have to do. And I'm telling you from someone that's obviously escaped the matrix, escaped a 9-to-5 job, live here in Dubai, work for myself, right? I can tell you for free that my life started becoming so much better once I quit my job. And I realized that, you know what? This is actually what was causing me depression. This is what was causing me to be sad all the time. And this is what was essentially making my life worse, right? Now, if you guys don't know my story and you don't know who I am, my name is Adam and I used to work a 9-to-5 job back in the UK, right? So I worked several jobs. I used to work in World Duty Free, Argos. I used to work at Sky as well. And it basically got to a point where I had enough of my life, right? I was working all of these jobs. I wasn't happy, so I took a big risk. I quit my 9-to-5 job, packed my bags, and I moved to Dubai. This is where I currently live at the moment, and life has completely changed because I now work for myself and run a 6-figure online coaching business. Now, guys, in this video, I want to talk about why your job is actually making your life worse, right? A lot of you guys might come home tired. A lot of you guys might come home exhausted from your 9-to-5 job. Now you've got bills to pay, right? And you can barely afford to pay your bills. I've been there, I know what it's like. And every month, it seems like no matter how much, let's say you get a promotion, let's say you do overtime, whatever the case is, no matter how much you work, right? You still can't escape the bills. Every month feels exactly the same. Every month you're struggling, you just about survive. You barely have any money left over, right? And what I've realized is that your 9-to-5 job is what's actually making your life worse. Because guys, a 9-to-5 job isn't normal. Even though people have brainwashed you and convinced you that no, a 9-to-5 job is normal, this is what you should be doing, I'm telling you from someone that's escaped it, a 9-to-5 job isn't normal. How is it normal working 40 hours for someone else? How is it normal that you see your colleagues more than your own family? How is it normal to go to work every single day, 40 hours a week for a whole month, to come home with just about enough money to pay your bills? How is it normal to only get 30 days off a year? How is it normal to only get 2 days off a week? Guys, understand this. It's not a normal thing, okay? And this is what's making your life worse. And when I figured this out, that my job is actually the reason why my life's worse, that's when I decided I need to quit. I need to move to Dubai. I need to start my own online business so I can actually have freedom. Freedom is the most important thing. Everyone wants to have freedom, right? And a lot of people I speak to on sales calls and even some of my clients, a lot of people just want freedom. It's not about the money, it's about freedom, where you can go where you want, do what you want, right? Wake up when you want. That's kind of my life now. I get to live where I want. I've chosen Dubai. I get to work where I want. Sometimes I work in Dubai Mall. Sometimes I work by the pool. Sometimes I work on the beach. Whatever the case is, I work wherever I want. I can live wherever I want. I can travel wherever I want. I can wake up whenever I want, right? So life is amazing now. And that is what the key is. And I realized, right, for me to actually have true happiness, for me to make my life better, because in an online business, for example, you can make more money, you can have a much better lifestyle, you can do what you want, right? Whereas a 9-to-5 job doesn't give you that, guys. A 9-to-5 job makes your life worse. Because if you guys understood how inflation works, you wouldn't even want to work your 9-to-5 job. Think of it like this, right? 30, 40 years ago, anyone that was working a 9-to-5 job could buy a house, right? Because it was affordable. Now, most high-paying salaries, right? Even then, you can't afford to buy a house, because the gap has increased massively. This is how inflation works, because now you can work a 9-to-5 job and not even buy a house, right? So the point I'm trying to make is that no matter how much you get a wage increase or a salary increase or a promotion, or maybe you need to do overtime, no matter how much you do, it's not enough money, because inflation goes even higher than that. So you can never truly make more money, right? Because you always stay broke. And this is why a job is making your life worse. Also, you spend 40 hours in a place that you don't want to spend 40 hours. Guys, if I gave you guys 40 hours, right, to do what you want, and let's say you get paid regardless, would any of you choose to go to work? Of course not, right? This is my point. I enjoy my business. I enjoy making money online. So I don't mind doing it. And to be fair, I make money as well. So of course I'm going to do it. It's a great thing. But when you're forced to go somewhere that you don't want to be, to make money that is not even going to be enough, right? Of course your life's going to get worse. So this is why I'm saying a 9-to-5 job is only going to make your life worse. Now, guys, I have my own online coaching business where I work with people on a one-to-one basis, scale them to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model, where essentially you sell your skills and knowledge to higher ticket clients. Now, if you guys are interested, by the way, and you want to work with me, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? But guys, I want you to understand one thing. If your 9-to-5 job is making your life worse, if you understand that your 9-to-5 job isn't giving you what you want, isn't making you happy, isn't allowing you to live the life you want, why are you choosing to do it? Now, I understand for most people, right, you have to work a 9 to 5 job to bring in cash flow, right? You need to bring in some income, you have bills, you have a family to provide for. I get all of that, okay? I'm not saying do something crazy like what I did, right? Which is just quit your job and just start a business. I'm not saying that. What I am saying is if you truly want to escape your 9 to 5 job, start an online business alongside your job, right? This is the cleanest and most efficient way for you to be able to escape that job. Because I understand initially you're going to need cash flow, you're going to need to bring money in, pay your bills to live, all of that kind of stuff. I get it. But having an online business alongside it where you can work on, build on, spend all the hours that you're not at work on your online business, and once your online business is making more than your 9 to 5 job, well, you can just quit your 9 to 5 job, right? Go full in on the online business and make even more money. Guys, you have to understand one thing. If your 9 to 5 job is making things worse, don't choose a physical business. Don't choose something that doesn't give you freedom, right? I've seen this a lot. A lot of people think, oh, maybe if I get a better paying job, or maybe if I get a better job in general, you know, it's going to feel better, right? I've done it myself. That feeling never goes away. I remember when I was working at Sky in the call center, right? I used to hate that job, by the way. It was one of the worst jobs. And then I got a new role within Sky as a media operator, right? So I was like, okay, this job's going to be much better. And the job I got was much better. It was so much more chilling. You know, I enjoyed it so much. But after the first week, it got repetitive. It got boring. It got really, really jarring. And I thought to myself, right? This is so much better job. I'm not even doing much, right? But still, I'm unhappy. And why? Because I'm somewhere where I don't want to be. I'm doing something I don't want to do, right? I don't have freedom. I can't go somewhere else that I want to go to. I can't, you know, travel if I want to travel. I can't do things. And that's when it occurred to me that it wasn't the job. Like, it doesn't matter what kind of job you have. You can have the most amazing job in the world. But the fact that it restricts your freedom, that is what holds you back. That is what doesn't allow you to be happy. And that's why I say to you, a lot of you guys, right? A 9 to 5 job is going to make your life worse because you don't have freedom. Money is okay. Like, you can make money X, Y, and Z. But freedom is the most important thing. And of course, money buys that to a certain extent. When you're making money online though, right? When you make money using the One Skill Consulting business model, you guys will have freedom. You can travel where you want. You can do what you want. You can live where you want, right? Why would you not choose that business model? A lot of people I speak to say to me, yeah, I want to have freedom. I want to make money online. Then go and do a physical business or go and buy property, right? None of these things are going to give you freedom. Guys, let me explain one thing to you, right? If you truly want freedom, just go after it. I knew exactly what I wanted from this life, right? I said to myself, I want to make money online, I want to live in Dubai, and I want to be free. And I did exactly that. I've never contradicted myself. When I say I want something, I go after that specifically. Whereas a lot of people will say they want one thing, but do something else, right? And that's not how you live your life. That's why I say to a lot of you guys, you can do it. All you have to do is try. And if you guys are looking to work with a mentor that can help you do this, right? Click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can actually help you by using the One Skill Consulting business model. And if you guys want to know more details on the One Skill Consulting business model, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.